Hello viewers, and welcome back to another Noble Tech video. Today we're diving into a truly unique piece of hardware, the Awok Dual Touch version 3 Sasquach Limited Edition. This is a Flipper Zero expansion board that's built for wireless experimentation and red team automation. With a price tag of $160, it's not your average ESP32 board, but it's packed with features that justify the premium. Let's take a closer look. The Dual Touch is built around two ESP32 S3 microcontrollers, each independently programmable. That means you can run dual firmware setups like Marauder on one and Evil Portal on the other. It's ideal for wireless reconnaissance, BLE spoofing, and captive portal hosting. A standout feature of this board is the GPS antenna port. You can add a GPS module for location-based payloads, geofencing, or tracking experiments. That's a rare and powerful addition for a board of this size. So let's talk about the design. The transparent case is absolutely gorgeous. It's not just aesthetic, it's functional. You can see the internals, monitor LED activity, and appreciate the custom Sasquach PCB. As you can see, this board is the limited edition Talking Sasquach board. He's got his logo on there, and Talking Sasquach, in case you didn't know, is one of the biggest cybersecurity YouTubers. The PCB features a matte black finish, gold traces, and laser-etched graphics. It's one of the most visually striking boards I've ever handled. The layout is clean and intuitive. You've got two USB-C ports, one for each of the ESP32 chips on board, and a micro SD card slot for storing things like Evil Portal files. We also have a capacitive touchscreen that responds instantly. It's compact, stealthy, and feels premium in the hand. Performance-wise, this board is a beast. The dual-core setup means you can run two separate environments simultaneously. For example, one chip can scan Wi-Fi networks while the other hosts a captive portal. The Dual Touch supports Bluetooth spoofing, Wi-Fi scanning, broadcasting, and Evil Portal hosting. The capacitive touchscreen lets you trigger scripts or switch modes with a simple tap. No buttons, just clean interaction. So who is this board for? If you're into wireless reconnaissance, BLE spoofing and broadcasting, Evil Portal hosting, Flipper Zero expansion, or GPS payload and automation, then this is the perfect board for you. It's also great for educational demos, maker projects, and anyone who wants a stealthy, powerful tool that looks as good as it performs. At $160, it's definitely a premium board, but you're getting dual ESP32 S3 chips, capacitive touchscreen, transparent case, custom Sasquach PCB, GPS antenna option, micro SD support, and Flipper Zero compatibility. To wrap it up, the Awok Dual Touch version 3 Sasquach Limited Edition is a stunning, powerful, and versatile device. It's built for those who know what they're doing and want a tool that can keep up, whether you're deploying evil portals, spoofing Bluetooth devices, or experimenting with GPS triggers. This board delivers. Now, to use the Dual Touch V3, first we're going to plug it into the Flipper Zero, making sure the alignment is correct there. And then we turn on our Flipper Zero, and we want to go to Apps, GPIO, and in this case, as I've installed Marauder on here, ESP, and Wi-Fi Marauder. And this will activate the screen, which you can see we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, device information, and reboot. And under Wi-Fi here, we have several options like sniffers, scanners, war driving, attacks in general. Please see my previous video on the AliExpress Marauder for a more detailed breakdown of the menu options. So as you can see, not only do we have the screen controlling one of the ESP32 chips here, but we control the other with the Flipper Zero, in which you have the same exact options, but inside the Flipper Zero. So this is good for if you wanted to do, say, war driving of both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You could do that with this, as the GPS can be used on both chips simultaneously. So now I'll quickly walk through how you install Marauder on the Dual Touch V3. So first of all, we're going to take our USB-C cable and we're going to plug it into the orange port. Now that we've done that, we're going to plug this into the computer. So now that the Dual Touch is plugged in, we're going to select Device. And then from the Select Serial port, we'll select the option here. Now, it might be different for you, but for me, it's COM16. So we click Connect. Now we click Connect Device. And we can see here that we are connected. Now that we are connected, I want to select Marauder, and I'm going to type in Touch version 3. And as you can see, the first one here is the orange port which we plugged into. So you're going to want to click here. And 1.84, which is the stable version. And then you click on Flash Firmware. So once that is completed, we're going to want to press Clear All Files. In some cases it doesn't let me seem to do that, but I can clear them manually or just refresh the page. So now we unplug our device and plug the USB-C cable into the white port and plug it back into the computer. So if I refresh the page, again I select Device, COM16 Connect, Connect Device. Once again we select Marauder, and we type in Touch v3. And this time we select the white port and we select 1.84. And again we flash the firmware. We have now successfully installed Marauder on both ESP32 S3 chips on the Dual Touch v3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.